how to buy Aikira or Aikira token. So before we start, this is not much advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you plan on my channel, please do your own research. So before going on buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates on this token, and don't forget to check the Telegram channel too. Now, as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 22 hours ago and it increased by 400% in less than 4 hours, and this token trending number 8 in the base section. Now, to be able to buy this token, click here to copy the token address. Now open your Bitget wallet. For that, go to your wallet and select the base as a network. Now after that, click on this plus icon and paste the token address in the search bar. As you can see, now this is our token. Now click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and keep searching until you find your token that you just added called Aikira. Now after you find it, just click on it. Now click here on swap, switch from here, and from the top you can select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDT, and here you can type how much you want to buy. So in a while you will be able to see how much it is. So as you can see, no corresponding liquidity pool. So I will just try to decrease this amount about to $50. As you can see, it will work. Now just make sure to set an amount under $100, and after that click here on swap and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy Aikira token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.